All right. Hi, this is Zach from Sell House Columbus. We have one of our sellers here today, Matt, and we just closed on his property on North First Street today. So, Matt, I just have a few questions. So, how did you first hear about us? How did you find us?
I got a postcard in the mailbox, like a postcard. Wanted to know if I wanted to sell my home.
All right, nice. And tell us about your situation, why you sold the house.
Well, I was incarcerated and the home needed a lot of work, and I just pretty much wanted to wash my hands of it and get rid of it.
Perfect. And did we do what we said we're going to do? And did we buy the property as is, all cash?
Yes, correct. Yes, you did.
All right, perfect. And what would you say to someone who'd like to sell their house fast for cash?
Stay on top of it. Contact who was purchasing it.
All right, great.
Self kind of. Don't
All
sit and
right.
wait for phone call.
All right, perfect. And lastly, how was your experience with me as your sales representative?
With you, it was great.
All right. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. So again, this is Zach with Sell House Columbus. If you're someone who wants to sell your property for cash, find us online at www.sellhousecolumbus.com or call us at 614-300-5151. Have a good day.